Friends, welcome back to TechBox channel again. So I hope you are enjoying the gains in Bitcoin and cryptocurrencies and all. So everything is booming, everything is going up and up and up. And recent news with the Tesla, they have bought 1.5 billion worth of BTC. This is just going becoming a hyperbola. So today I brought a topic which is many people are thinking, or many people have discussed with me. They called me like, is it still time to buy the Bitcoin or other cryptocurrencies, or are they late, or are they too late, or whether they should buy or not to buy, and if they want to buy, how they can do it, or everything. So according to my discussion with my friends and families, what I have figured out, there are three different points. So first point is like factors to consider before aping. Second point, when and how much I should buy. Third one, other options if not a BTC. So I will discuss these points one by one. So let's start with first point, factors to consider before aping. So this is the factor which is most important. So factors could be anything, like if you have any mortgage, if you have any home loan, and if you are capable of bearing the loss, since crypto is highly volatile. And so it can, if you are ready to bear a loss when it can go to zero, you are not supposed to invest in the crypto or Bitcoin. uh, other factors, like if you want to planning to buy in a lump sum, I would not recommend to buy in lump sum. Always go in the parts whenever there any dump happens, or there any correction happens, or retrace happens. So there could be other factors which you can think whenever you are going to buy the Bitcoin. So these are the main factors where people should consider before they are going to buy Bitcoin. Second point is when and how much I should buy. So many people have this kind of confusion. Since Bitcoin price is 40k thousand, how can I buy? This is too much expensive. So according to my like discussion with people, they still think they only can buy the single or one BTC, but it's not true. You can go for even decimal parts, let's say 0.001, 0.000400, any amount up to the 8 or 16 decimals. So this is even, and you can buy for $1,000 or 5,000 rupees or 10,000 rupees. So there is no restriction while buying the Bitcoin. Third option, other options if not a BTC. So other options you have, if you think BTC is too much expensive, you are not able to buy because it's $48,000. So first option is, instead of buying BTC, you can go for other cryptocurrencies, like there is Ethereum, which is still low. Second, other cryptocurrencies are there, but for that you need to understand how cryptocurrency works. You have to do a lot of studies, and you have to wait for my videos. Whenever I will post a video, you can watch that video and you can understand how that cryptocurrency works and how you can buy that cryptocurrencies. So this is how you should always consider whenever you are going to buy any cryptocurrency. So I would not recommend like you just go blindly and just go and buy. You should always wait for the correction, the market. Whenever market correction happens, you should buy in parts. So I hope you will like this video, and you will share this video with friends and families, and let's meet a new video. Till then, bye bye.